In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat in Claude AI. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. Starting with the basics, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Claude AI and sign in. For those who might be new to Claude AI, it's a versatile tool that's designed to facilitate seamless interactions using advanced artificial intelligence. Make sure you have your login details handy and sign in successfully to initiate the process. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open a chat. This will be the space where you'll be engaging with Claude AI. Opening a chat is simple, typically involving just a click or a tap, depending on whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device. Ensure that your device's microphone is functioning and, if possible, test it beforehand to confirm that it can pick up your voice clearly. Now you should notice a sound wave icon located in the lower right corner of your chat interface. This icon is essential as it acts as your gateway to initiating a voice chat with Claude. Give the icon a click and you'll be ready to start speaking your prompt. One helpful tip here is to make sure you're in a quiet environment to prevent background noise from interfering with Claude's ability to accurately capture and respond to your voice input. As you speak your prompt, keep your instructions or questions concise and clear. This will allow Claude to generate the most precise response possible. Remember, the clarity of your input will help optimize the quality of Claude's output, resulting in a more meaningful and efficient dialogue between you and the AI. After you finish speaking, Claude AI will respond with spoken answers. This is where the magic of AI comes into play, offering you an engaging, interactive experience. Listen carefully to Claude's response, and if necessary, feel free to adjust your questions or commands for more refined interactions. Remember, you are in control of the pace and direction of this dialogue. When you've completed your chat session, simply click the Stop button to end your voice chat. Doing so ensures a proper conclusion to your interaction and prepares the platform for any future sessions you might want to conduct. This step is as important as initiating the conversation, because it helps manage system resources and keeps your interactions organized. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to voice chat in Claude AI. Whether you're using this for professional purposes or personal inquiry, these steps are designed to offer an intuitive and rich experience with AI technology. Thanks for watching and enjoy your conversation with Claude AI.